So excited to try out this new 3-piece ceramic baking sheet set. Today the girls wanted sugar cookies and snickerdoodles, so I figured it was the perfect time to use them. And he sent me these to review for you, and when I opened the box, look at how beautiful they are. The gray and yellow finish is stunning in person. Sturdy, smooth, and honestly, they look like high-end cookware. I'm even thinking about grabbing a few extra sets for Christmas presents. That's a couple of people already checked off my list. Once the cookies were done, I transferred them onto the small sheet with the cooling rack, and everything baked evenly. And I used the other pan to rewarm some homemade rolls for Thanksgiving dinner. These pans can honestly handle anything. Cookies, breads, full meals. It's been amazing today. And cleanup afterwards was so easy. I dried the pan and that ceramic finish really shines. I love how each piece looks lined up here. One with rolls, one with cookies, and the other one's freshly cleaned, ready to go again. They performed beautifully. They're going to be my go-to pans for the holiday and honestly all year long.